Pizza Rustica, aka Pizza Gaina, aka Easter pie. This traditional Italian dish is typically made with pizza dough, but we're simplifying it today with frozen pie dough and meats and cheeses that you can find at any one of our stores. So let's dive right in. Chop up your cured meats and get them in a bowl. Make sure that you get prosciutto in there. We've also used salami and dried sausage. Next, you're gonna get your 5 eggs in there and make sure that you save one for later. Next, you wanna combine all your eggs with your dried meats. Give them a nice little whisk and gather everything around. Next, you want to combine all of your cheeses together. We have ricotta, mozzarella, and grated parmesan. Use your hands because this is a labor of love. Next up, you're going to combine all your cheeses with your meats. Once you got everything combined, just let it rest for about 10 minutes as you prepare your pie shell. Get your frozen pie shell on there. Make sure you get all the corners. And raise it just to the lip. Don't overthink this, just get it in there, with no holes of course. The top layer is just as important as the bottom layer. Make sure that you put everything right on top, cover the whole pie, and crimp it. You want the two ends of the pies to touch to create kind of a seal. Remember that egg that you saved? Give it a nice little scramble. If you have one of these, you should use it. But if you don't have a brush, you could use a napkin, you could use your hands, whatever's easier for you. Again, no right or wrong way, just coat it. This will give that shell a nice golden color as you take it out the oven. It makes it a little bit more fancy schmancy. After you're done coating this up, you can get it in the oven for 1 hour at 350 degrees. The right pizza rustica is salty, cheesy, and has a nice flaky crust. It can be eaten for breakfast, lunch, dinner, brunch, whatever you want. But make sure it's room temperature or cold. For more delicious recipes, follow us for more.